Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Shokz headphones with your MacBook. So first you have to find this power button, then you have to click and hold it, and now you have to also locate the indicator. It will appear right here, and when you keep holding this button it will turn to the pairing mode. So right now you have to open the Bluetooth settings, and from the nearby devices list you have to select your OpenRun Pro headphones by Shokz. So click on the connect button, and after a few seconds we will be successfully connected. There we are. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.